Slovakia, Samuel Fabo. What should Slovakia ridden? Now I prepare to talk about why is Chinese important. I think it is because it is the most spoken language in the world and it's a very nice thing to learn Chinese. And the characters, the Chinese characters, are so wonderful and so beautiful, and I always want to explore the evolution of the characters, how they evolved during the time from the ancient times till now. For example, horse or dragon or mountain or sun and moon. It's like basic things which you see in life, and it's really nice to see them also written in the script. My school life in Taipei Technology University is very well. It goes really smooth. Nothing's wrong. Everything's very fine. Professors are awesome. They are taking good care of us. And for example, we have already played with a robotic hands on advanced robotic class, which was a really cool project, and I really appreciate it. And also, we were supposed to classify, let's say, handwritten image or teach robots how to behave in some kind of environment. I have gained a lot of knowledge here in Taipei Tech. About my life in Taiwan, what I did for the first time, or which is not so common in my country, is that I have been bathing in natural waterfall, which is wonderful. We don't have such things in Slovakia. Also, I have been surfing. We don't have ocean in Slovakia, so this is also a great opportunity to learn how to surf. And thanks to the Chinese Center, we have been able to visit things like Keelung, we have been to Binxi, we have been to Yilan, and we have seen a lot of things. Also, we have seen beautiful Taipei 101 from the Alpha Mountain. And I have been hiking during the night from 2 o'clock in the morning to Yushan. I have seen T-Rex, the actual bones of T-Rex, which are in Yilan, which is wonderful to see. And I have tried to drive a motorcycle, which I've never done before. In the end, I would like to stress some cultural differences. These differences are just details, small details, which you can bump into in your daily life, such as, I don't know, what I really like about Taiwan, that you guys have always and everywhere around you these water dispensaries. It's so nice. I can have hot water all around. Not in Slovakia, we need to prepare this. And well, also these cliches like Taiwanese are shy. I think they're not shy, they just don't want to speak with you in English. That's the only thing. That's why I want to learn Chinese. Yeah, all these small details which makes us look different, but I feel like in the end we are not so different. The more I travel, the more I see the people are the same. We just do things a different way. So that's why I really like it here. So thank you, Taiwan.